Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Philips Hue using Philips account, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Philips Hue using your Philips account, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Philips Hue app installed on your device. Open the Philips Hue app from your smartphone or tablet. On the welcome screen, tap on Get Started to proceed. You will be prompted to choose between creating a new account or logging in with an existing one. If you already have a Philips account, select the Login option. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. After filling in the credentials, tap on the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to reset your password. If you don't have an account, select the Create Account option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions, and then tap on Create Account to finalize the process. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. Upon successful authentication, you'll access the main features of the Philips Hue app. If prompted, allow the app permissions to access your location and notifications for optimal. You can now start connecting your Philips Hue devices and customizing your smart lighting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.